Good morning, my dear friends and teachers. Today I'm going to speak about the topic recipe of my favorite dish. My favorite dish is noodles. You will need some ingredients and equipments are noodles, water, oil, garlic pieces, cooked chicken pieces, carrot, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, and salt. The equipments are chopping board, knife, small bowl, and frying pan. Now we can cook our noodles. Step number 1. Put the noodles in a heat-proof bowl. Add some boiling water into it. It will take 5 minutes to cook the noodles. Once it is ready, drain and rinse it under the cold water. Then keep the frying pan on the stove and pour 2 teaspoons of oil into it. Then add garlic, carrot, cooked chicken pieces, and little salt. Then stir it about 2 minutes. Step number 2. Add sauces and little water into it. Then put the cooked noodles into it. Then stir it for a few minutes. Our delicious noodles is ready for eating. Thank you.